Hello guys, I'm Pradip Sarkar. From today, I'll start the coding part like from uh, the JavaScript and from the Node.js module, Node.js languages. So I'll start from that part, that languages, and I'll post about some tips and tricks like some small parts like how to send a mail by Node.js. Uh, that was that will be discussed by me today, and that how to store a data on the database. I will use MongoDB and how to set a password and many things in Node.js. So let's start this class. So like at first make a folder like that. I'll make it before. So just uh, click the right click and open with code. And I am using the VS Code. So please install the VS Code. VS Code is very easy to install. Just go to the VS Code official site and just download it for Windows or Mac, whatever you have. So let's start. At first, made a file that name app.js. JS means JavaScript because Node.js is also part of the JavaScript. So and app, I am using the name of app. So you can use whatever you want. So let's start. At first, go to the terminal and initialize the npm init. So just enter, just enter it, or if you want to write something, so write. And author, I am Pradip Sarkar. So just type it over there. And the license, is it okay? Yes. You can see the computer will made a JSON file automatically, and the whatever I have written over the terminals, and the author is Pradip Sarkar. Okay. So now you need to install the install npm install. Just write the code, and it will take a few minutes, not few minutes, few seconds. So also it will also generate a JSON part, that will the packet.json. And now install the Slugify. I am not using the Slugify, but still I install every time. So install it, and you can see that there is no modules. Okay, so and now you can and you need to install the node mailer because I'll send the mails by node mailer. So just write over there npm install, or you can also write I, it will work, but I will write the install npm install node mailer. You can see that it is loading, it is installing the node mailer, and you can see that also here is appears node mailer. That means that I successfully installed the node mailer. And then just go to the app.js and connect the node mailer, like const. I'm using const node mailer equals to require. Just connect the node mailer, require node mailer. Okay, so in the Node.js, I connected the node mailer part, node mailer module successfully. Now you need to just make a uh, make a object like transport object. So I am I make the name as the transport. Transport just node mailer, and node mailer is this where I from where I connect the node mailer module. So now there is a create transport. Select the create transport and make a object like from which service you were used to send a mail. That is the service. It is I'm using Gmail, so Gmail, and the authentication. Sorry, and the authentication is it is also an object. You need to give the user ID from which you are sending the mail. So shortcut to give from this account I am sending the mail at gmail.com, and also give the passwords of the account. But in that password part you don't give the actual password, so it will not work in the actual password. It's Google's security. So you need the app password connect. You need the app password to connect from your account. So password in the password space, you need to give the app password from, and just go to the Gmail and generate a app password. Okay, so go to the Gmail account like this Gmail, and just manage your Google account, and go to the security, and then you can see that the app passwords that, and enter your password. I'm entering next. So you can see that I already generate a app password on my Windows computer. If you have not generated before any app passwords, you can select this app. Like for I am using mail, so for obviously you can select the mail. You can select now. You must select the mail and select device you have in phone or whatever you are using. So select it and then generate, and it will give a app password. So you will use that password only. You cannot use the direct password over there in the password space. So you need to use that password, that 16-digit password over there. So just a minute. I cannot share the. Um, I don't want to share my password. Okay, so for now I generate a password, app password, not the password, permanent password. And don't worry, I will change that. I will delete that app password. So don't ever try to log in. So that's okay. And I think I used the semicolon, but in the object part you will need to use the comma. So that's a mistake. And then made another object. Then made another object. Mail details. For the details part, you can also guess what is the object from the name. So please give a useful name that I can also understand from the name that what is the work for that object. So from means from what email I am sending this. So that is that. Just copy it and then paste it over here. Is then give the comma and to what mail I am sending the mail. So that is what I saw. I'm sending this account's mail. Send my mail. So form subject. Subject is the heading for the mail. So I'm using that sent a mail from Node.js. Okay, so I need to use the semicolon obviously. Then comma and the text of the mail. It is the first time I am using no mailer and it is very easy to use. Okay, so just write it and also you can send the HTML uh, that H1 and then write the text in the HTML. So I'm just use the text part and now it is almost complete and then just send the mail like transport we created the transport, so it is the main part that you give the service of the mail. So you need to transport dot and here is another send mail option, so send the mail and give the objects like the mail details. You need to give in the transport part mail details and you also need to call a callback function. So I am giving the first is the error and the second part is the info. Now you don't need to understand the info. What is the info part is? So just it is function. So leave the second bracket and if the error is true means write the error. Sorry, if the error if the error happens then console.log post the error and else if the error not happens then else console.log just write the email sent and just and this is very easy, you can also see just a few lines of code. You need to send an email, so I am checking if I made any error and sorry what is happening, I don't sorry guys, I don't know what is happening with my screen share app. It just taking the 5 minutes screen share, so I don't know. So I have just uh, I have a I have a demo of the email, so I just copy it and paste the code. I don't want to write the whole code once again, so you can uh, check that. You can see that the text is different. Text is different, and the here I am use the mail options name. There I used the mail details, I think so sorry for that and I am deleting for this right now and save it control S. So just now run it node app, just wait few seconds and it will show. You can see that the console part email sent is shown over there. If it if in the process, in the whole process, any error happens, then you can see that if error is true, then console.log error. I printed the error part. Sorry, what happened? Sorry, guys. Happened. Just runs it once again, and I know it is an error mail, so it's okay for now. Email sent. You can see that the email is sent. If there happens any error in the console part, in the terminal part, it will show the error. What is the error? So uh, for now, I think it is clear to all of you that how to send a mail using the Node.js. And in the future videos, I will discuss about the databases databases like I will use the MongoDB. So how to store the databases, and also I will post the small things about the Node.js. So that's it for today. So if the video is helpful, please like this video, and please subscribe to our channel to get the interesting videos like that. And please comment it if you like it or not, or if I have anything to improve in the videos. And you also can share a good screen sharing app. The app is very disturbing, so sorry for the inconvenience. And also for this video you need to prerequisite the Node.js knowledge. So I'll make the playlist in the future for the Node.js for starting to finish. But for now, I am posting the small things in the Node.js. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get the interesting videos. Bye. See ya. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Now just go to the Gmail part and open the Gmail for Horizon. Opening the Gmail menu, and you can see that at first I sent that mail, that the heading is sent a mail from node mailer, and the text was it is the first that was. And lastly, when I copy and paste my demo, that that heading is that, and this is the second time I am checking. So you can see that I sent successfully the mails, and you can also see from my account the sent option, that you can see that I sent to Horizon multiple times. So that's it for today, and thank, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.